Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. And tonight we're going to talk about adapting a growth mindset to have a positive posture and image of wonderful things to happen down the line for us with our ketogenic lifestyle and diet. The growth mindset is very pivotal in terms of success, the positive vision that we should have about ourselves. Embarking on the keto journey is not just about altering what you eat. It's about transforming how you view yourself and your capabilities. This lifestyle requires more than just discipline and knowledge of nutrition. It demands a growth mindset. A growth mindset, the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed, is pivotal for anyone navigating the ups and downs of the keto diet and lifestyle. It's about seeing challenges as opportunities for growth rather than insurmountable obstacles. Well, let's get into understanding the growth mindset. At its core, a growth mindset thrives on challenge and sees failure not as evidence of unintelligence, but as a heartening springboard for growth and for stretching our existing abilities. For keto enthusiasts, this means viewing every slip-up not as failure, but as a learning experience. Did you give in to a high-carb temptation? Instead of beating yourself up, analyze the situation to understand why it happened and how you can prevent it in the future. Let's talk about the power of YET, Y-E-T. One simple but powerful strategy to cultivate a growth mindset is the power of YET. You might not be fully adapted to your keto lifestyle yet, or you might not have reached your weight loss goals yet. This tiny word implies that you are on a journey, and while you might not have arrived at your destination, you are moving forward and staying positive. Let's talk about celebrating those small wins. Celebrating small wins is crucial on your keto journey. Manage to say no to a sugary treat? That's a win. Prepared a week's worth of healthy, nutritious, keto-friendly meals? Another win. These victories, no matter how small, are proof of your growing ability to make healthier choices. They reinforce the belief that you can develop and improve moving forward. Let's talk about the concept of learning constantly. The keto lifestyle is rich with learning opportunities, from understanding the science behind ketosis to experimenting with keto-friendly recipes. There's always something new to discover and behold. Embrace this journey of learning. Read books, follow keto experts, join online communities, and share your experiences. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the more empowered you'll feel to make the right choices for your body and lifestyle. Now let's talk about connecting with like-minded individuals. You're never alone on this journey. Connecting with others who are also adopting a keto lifestyle can provide you with the support and motivation you need to keep going. Share your struggles and successes. Ask for advice and offer your own insights. This sense of community can be incredibly encouraging, reminding you that everyone's keto journey is unique, filled with its own set of challenges and triumphs. Let's talk about the concept of embracing the journey. Remember, adopting a growth mindset is a journey, not a destination. There will be days when maintaining a positive outlook is indeed challenging. However, it's on these days that your growth mindset would be most valuable. Embrace the journey, learn from each experience, and remember that each step forward, no matter how small, is a step toward your ultimate goals. In conclusion, the keto diet and lifestyle are much more than just changing what you eat. They're about changing how you think. By adopting a growth mindset, you empower yourself to overcome challenges, learn from your experiences, and ultimately prosper with your goals. Believe in your ability to develop and improve, and watch as you transform not just your body, but your entire approach to life. And there you go. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any comments, please leave them below this video. Also, I'd be totally honored if you subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button underneath this video. That would give me the impetus to continue making these videos, being helpful, inspirational, motivational, and inspiring, certainly to the keto community at large. And again, this is Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida. I hope you're doing well, and we'll talk again with you tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.